Welcome to International Passive Fire. Today's video is demonstrating how to use a wet film thickness gauge to measure the thickness of intumescent paint. Before applying the intumescent paint, check the project summary report for the wet film thicknesses. In this demonstration we are required to apply the intumescent paint to 390 microns. Once the paint has been applied, take your gauge and using the side with the appropriate scale, place the gauge into the paint. Remove the gauge and check the teeth to see which have paint on them. In this demonstration the teeth for 200 to 300 have paint on them. The tooth for 400 has a small amount of paint on the bottom, which means the paint thickness is around 400 microns. The wet film thickness should be checked multiple times per beam to ensure the correct thickness has been applied. Remember to clean the gauge between each test to ensure accuracy. If you have any doubt in the results of the test, test again or contact our technical support team. For further information please call us on 01752 690997.